Here's the simplest pricing method I know. Search for your item on Facebook Marketplace or eBay right now, today. Not what it sells for new on Amazon, what other people are asking for similar used items in similar condition. Then price yours at roughly the same level or just slightly below if you want to move it quickly. If your item is in excellent condition, you can price it at a higher end of what you're seeing. If it has wear or some flaw, price at the lower end and mention the flaw honestly in your listing. Buyers really do appreciate transparency, and a well-priced item with an honest description will sell faster than an overpriced one with a perfect description. There's also a simple rule of thumb a lot of sellers use. Price used items at about 20 to 30% of the original retail price. For items in great condition from a desirable brand, you can push higher. And don't be afraid to relist if something doesn't sell in the first week or two. Sometimes it's just about the timing. The right buyer hasn't come across it yet. Download the free guide. The link is in my bio.